In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Fortnite matchmaking error. Let's get started. First, check if Fortnite servers are actually online by searching Fortnite server status or visiting Epic Games' official status page. Because if matchmaking is down globally, there's nothing to fix on your end except waiting. If servers are fine, restart your game completely and relaunch Fortnite to refresh your session. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if possible, or restart your router to clear any network glitches. You should also make sure your game is fully updated because outdated versions can cause matchmaking errors and prevent you from joining lobbies. Next, verify game files. For that, click on three dots. Click on the option Verify Files. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, if you have enabled a custom matchmaking key while trying to search for a game, you'll need to disable it. Just remove that code. Then try to join normal matchmaking again. Likewise, open settings menu and look for your matchmaking region option. Make sure it is not set to auto but instead choose the region closest to your location for the best connection and lowest ping. Then apply the changes. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.